Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we explore how to quickly replace background images using Frame Mask. Open your document and create a frame where the background should appear. Drag the initial background image into the frame. Double-click inside the frame to adjust the composition and make sure it fills the canvas properly. To replace the background, simply drag a new image onto the existing frame. Photoshop automatically fits it without changing the layout. You can adjust scale, position, or even apply subtle blur to create depth behind foreground subjects. Keep any subject layers separate to avoid accidental changes. Frame Mask makes swapping backgrounds fast, precise, and non-destructive.